Hi everyone. Today, I will learn how to reset the oil maintenance light on a Lexus RC. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a casual driver, this is something every Lexus owner should know. So, let's get started. Step 1. Turn the vehicle on. Step 2. Press the menu button on the steering wheel to enter the main menu. Step 3. Now you're going to scroll over with the keypad until you get to the settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down to Vehicle Settings and press the center button to select. Step 5. Highlight the oil maintenance and press Enter. Step 6. Finally, select Yes, and that will reset your maintenance data and you're done. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide to resetting the oil maintenance light on your Lexus RC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and DIY guides. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.